sorry guys, to cross. Someone said, and huwag nyo na lang pansinin nyo, he's not love you. My friend, nakaisip yun. And not me. Okay? And don't forget spread and gospel. God loves you. Please, 4K likes here and subscribe. This is my spread gospel for your friends. John 15:16. You did choose me, but I choose you. Luke 18:1. Always pray and never give up. And will be learn, okay? With spread gospel. God so much love you. I'm sorry guys. Don't bash me. Don't bash me. Okay? My friends say that, not me. I'm sorry. The J, she said, that's my friend. Is that J like, I like it. And I said, Papa Jesus in the cross. She said that. That's my friend. Yeah. Bye. Ate? Ano? Ate? Nah. Please like my video, guys. Bye. 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 Oh my goodness.